Welcome to our channel. Deciding whether to buy insurance through a broker or directly from an insurance company affects your experience and costs. Follow these step-by-step instructions to make the best choice. Step 1. Understand what insurance brokers do. They represent multiple insurance companies and can compare quotes from different carriers to find options that fit your needs. Step 2. Learn about direct providers, where you buy insurance straight from the company through their website, phone, or local agent who represents only that single company. Step 3. Compare the range of options available. Brokers offer access to multiple carriers, while direct providers only show their own products, potentially limiting your choices. Step 4. Evaluate costs carefully. Contrary to popular belief, using a broker typically doesn't cost more because insurance companies pay broker commissions, not you directly. Step 5. Consider the level of service you want. Brokers provide personalized guidance and handle claims advocacy, while direct providers may offer limited support or online-only service. Step 6. Research the broker's or agent's credentials and reputation. Check licenses through your state insurance department and read reviews from other customers. Step 7. Get quotes from both brokers and direct providers to compare. Sometimes direct providers offer special discounts not available through brokers, so checking both makes sense. Step 8. Think about ongoing relationship value. A good broker assists with future claims, policy changes, and finds better rates at renewal, while direct providers require you to manage everything yourself. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.